What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. We are right here where we left off in the large store, the store that I call Jerry's store or Barbie's store, and I'm finding lots of new items. We haven't even gone down the craft aisle yet, but we are about to, you guys. Look, we have the pool noodle knives, and I have a feeling that this would cut vegetables really well too. This is my first time seeing these. Okay, let's head down this aisle, and then right next door is sort of the main craft aisle, but we do have a lot of crafty things over here as well. All of the removable tile decals. Look at this one, Butterfly Girls. So pretty. For all my butterfly girls out there watching, I've learned who really loves butterflies because so many of you shop my auctions every Thursday night. And I know a lot of you love butterflies. So now I have to call you my butterfly girls. This location just has so many wall decals. These are all new as well. And these are double-sided. Double-sided. We have some things for pets over here. Positive vibes. Pets turn a house into a home. The pet bowl placemats. Oh, these are so cute. Look at the little cat toy. Super cute. Okay, let's see what we have over here. Photo hanger lines. Let's see if we have anything new over here. Screen cleaning wipes. 20 sheets. I feel like I'm still running into more of the new pop sockets. A lot of people say they love the vent sticks. I've used them before. I think they're pretty good. We also have Mentos. This location just has a lot. Barbie says yes, a lot.
Good morning.
Hi, Barbie.
Hello, how are you ladies today? Was it pretty?
These are pretty.
Did you see the new vases at the end of the aisle?
I did.
They're pretty cool.
Yeah, I just started with those. Oh, I like the texture. So we have pink and purple, and then we have green, and then we have clear. Let's take a look at clear. It's really pretty. Those are so cute. These would be cute to hold like makeup brushes, or you could put a candle in them. I really like the texture. Aw, this one is cute. Flowers and garden in the pink. Super cute. I wonder if we have any new toys. I went to the Wisconsin location last week and they had a lot of blind bags. Seriously, you guys, if you see blind bags at your locations now, I would grab them now because at Christmas time, they will be totally wiped out. Like, grab them now. Those are perfect stocking stuffers. Ooh, this is so pretty. I saw these last time. The glitter glue with the chunky glitter. And this location, you guys, I have not been finding washi tape in many of my locations lately, but this location actually has some washi tape.
Oh, we do have some new plastics.
Do you? Like Tupperware?
No, like decorative like stuff you want with junk, like
Oh, yeah, like little organizers?
yes, that's the word.
We have some little glitters. These are extra fine, ultra fine glitters. Orange, silver. I wanted to come down here and see if I could find some more stamps. The clear stamps My other location had a lot of the clear stamps. I'm not sure if this location has any. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Look at this cat sticker. These are so cute. We have a cute kitty with 2 different color eyes. We have a bear. These are definitely new this week. Let's see, these are all here at the moment. Ooh, look at this one. A cheetah. And let's see, I think that's it. They're all so cute. The kitty is adorable. Aww. The bear. These are cute. A DIY keychain. Make it extra. Aww. 9-piece set. You get a gem pen, you get some decorative gems, a wax square, and 2 keychains. So if you like doing the little, what is it called, you guys? Let me know in the comments. The diamond work, where you place the little diamonds. Oh, and look, you guys, these are brand new. I got one of these and made a TikTok with it. I think it was last year, but those varieties are definitely new. These ones are so cute, aren't they? So cute. DIY macrame feathers. These are also new. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. DIY macrame cactus and DIY macrame rainbows. These are definitely new. They recommend for ages 8 and up. So cute. The cactus are really cute. Yeah. Aww. Oh, DIY scrunchie too. 1 ready to design scrunchie, 1 dropper, and 2 markers. So you could do it with a marker. Thanks, Barbie.
Interesting.
Yeah. These are so cute. So cute. Okay, I wanted to show some more items over here. Keep looking up. There may be a rainbow waiting for you. We have the planner stickers. I think some of these might be new. Pinks and golds and whites. 300 pieces. Oh, here we go. Here's 1 pack of clear stamps. Maybe I'll find some more. Oh, look at this. Cute little cross stitch kit. Definitely brand new. We also have this one that says love. And we have peace. And choose joy. These are all brand new. And then also brand new, we have some glass beads in the tubes. Burgundy. Ooh, Barbie's showing me more new stuff. Fashionably Me, put your dreams on display. A little dream catcher butterfly set. A cute little DIY set. And it looks like it has little stickers. Well, little cutouts and beads. Cute. Thanks, Barbie.
You're welcome.
Barbie is finding all sorts of new things to share with you guys. Looks like we have some Valentine's Day little journals, little like
How are you?
notepads,
Good.
sticker collage posters. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. Look at this. The little cactus. Oh, we have a little turtle. Oh, these are cute. We have a little dinosaur. Little monkey and an airplane. I was hoping to find another little cactus one because the package of this one was a little bit rough. Oh, that's so cute. Aww. little seahorse too. That's adorable. I think I should get one of these also. Well, you guys, I think I'm going to end my video right here. I'll probably start right here as well because we just have so many good items right here in the craft section. So you guys join me in my very next video. We're going to start right here where I left off. We're going to dig through some of these items. They have a lot of new items, and I think we need to take just a little bit more time to see what else we can find. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.